use your own domain on Clickfunnels? Hey, what's going on? Nick Tai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use your own custom domains on your Clickfunnels account. So the way we go about that is the first one, we go to this account setting. Then we click on domains. Then we click on the add new domains. So here you got two options. The first one is you can register your own domain under Clickfunnels, or you can just add your existing domain if you're using other registers. So because I use Namecheap as my register, so I just used that. So I click on this one. The next one is you want to go to your register's dashboard and you want to copy the domain name here, and be sure you don't remove the www here, because sometimes you will have the tendency to just remove that, right? But don't remove that because you want to follow the instructions, or there'll be some problem because of the setting will be different, right? Then you click on add domain. Then it will tell you to point the CNAME to this URL. So what you want to do is you copy this URL and you go to your register dashboard and you click on manage. Then you have to click on advanced DNS. Then you want to point your domain here, right? And the next thing is if you want to learn how to really do for your own register, you can just check a link here and there will be detailed instruction about how you can set it up with your own register. So then right now we have set it the domain, so you just click on the yellow button. So right now you want to associate your domain with one of your funnels, right? So I just choose this one. So I click on associate funnel. So then if your domain haven't set it up yet, it may take 30 minutes to wait for DNS or the server to get updated. And if your domain is verified, then you can go there. And all you have to do is you want to go here to turn on the SSL, right? So because if you turn on the SSL, you have a better tendency to rank better on search engine. So we can try to go to this domain right now. So as you can see right now, I can have my own domain under Clickfunnels account. So that's how it works. If you want to learn more about how you can build your own funnel, click the link below this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in next video.